What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on TKO sales. I actually got a 2-color transfer from them with it's their Active Sport. It's plastisol, and I always do videos on the single color, and basically I did their full color. So I wanted to do a video on this. I have a 15 shirt order that I'm going to show you. I got a front and a back hit. It's for a bar. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to open these up. I got my shirts from Jiffy Shirts. I go through either Jiffy Shirts or Alpha Broder. Jiffy Shirts is much closer to me, and they've been getting better on the prices for me, so I've been going with Jiffy Shirts. There's all different types out there. Do your research, like I said in other videos. Same thing with transfers. I like TKO for plastisol transfers, and then there's other transfer companies I use for different types of transfers, like DTF, you know, so do your research. Get sample packs from these people, but today is going to be a TKO video, and I'm going to show you these 2-color transfers I got from them. Okay, so let's get these open up from them. I'm going to open up these transfers first. I ordered these, I believe, I ordered them on a Friday, and it's Wednesday of the next week from that, so basically it took 3 business days to get here from Florida, and I'm in PA. So like I said, these are the 2-color. Let's make sure there's nothing wrong with them. There we go. I got a gang sheet. I'll hold all this up once I get it all unpackaged. But they sent me gang sheet. Also with gang sheets, I'll explain to you guys where I put in my own. I had room on the gang sheet, so I threw my own logo to do shirts. So that's my transfers. I'm gonna open these up and check them in a minute after I show you guys. And I just want to check these shirts to make sure I got the right amount. Like I said, Jiffy Shirts is very close to me. I think they're an hour away. So really, if I need more shirts, let me check this. Let's see here. Okay, it says on here I got them all. First thing I'm going to do though is, let's see here, they have the directions on here. So this is going to be temperature 300 to 325 for 7 seconds, it says on this. They usually say 7 to 10. Heavy pressure, it's a hot peel. So I'm gonna get my heat press turned on real quick. Get it set to temp. Look and make sure I got all the right shirts. Got 3 large. Okay, we're good on that. And with white shirts, I learned my lesson with this. Always wash your hands before you're doing white shirts, because I had to end up getting new shirts because I put fingerprints on them. Let's see here. Make sure I got them all. Okay, looks like all the shirts are here. So I'm gonna switch the camera up and I'm gonna get to talking about these gang sheet real quick. Okay, so this right here is a gang sheet from, let me actually open these up. Get some of this pressure off of them. My directions over here. So far, I mean, I'm coming all the way from there. All right, so this is a gang sheet. I believe it's, I'm trying to remember what it is. I believe it's 12 by 19, I think. I'm not exactly sure I have it, but how I did this was, I did this in my Adobe Illustrator, So what I did was I took the design and I told the customer basically it'd be cheaper if they get a 2-color design. I always tell my customers the least of the colors, the cheaper it's going to be. So they went with the white shirts to make the swan white, because in the original image I had that I put in Adobe Illustrator was a white swan. So I took out the white that was in the swan. The rest of it was there. And like I said, I used the gang sheet. I put a couple extra logos on here. And then for mine, I had extra room on here. So now this is me. I'm taking an order. They're getting everything they ordered plus an extra shirt because I got an extra transfer. And in this gang sheet now from TKO, I put it in here where I have now a back hit for one of my shirts and a front hit like this in black. So I got it in black now. I got 16 of them. And I believe that was the price break for TKO, was set 16 with this. And this is their Active Sport 2-color. So I'm just going to cut these out and then press them onto the shirt. So I'm going to get the heat press set up and everything, the shirt set up. I'll press up one of these shirts for you guys. Okay guys, I got my press set up here. So what I'm going to do right now is I have it set to 314. It says 300 to 325. I'm going to go right in the middle there. So I'm going to check now to see where my pressure's at. So I lint rolled it, the spot that it's going. I got it all off this. Line it up here. This way with my pre-press, I could check and see I'm already up to 300. So I'm just going to pre-press it, check my settings. Back it off a little bit. They want heavy pressure, but let's make sure here. Okay, that should be good enough. So I'm just lining the shirt up here. Like I said, with the white, you want to make sure that your hands are clean when you're doing white shirts. Okay, I got it all measured up here. So I'm going to do on this one about 4 fingers down from the top of it. And then I'm coming right down here from the top of the neck here, coming straight down. I'll show you when I'm done with it. Make sure everything's on point. It's hot peel. Got it on for 7 seconds. So I'm gonna send this one in, make sure everything's lined up. This is the first one I'm doing. Heavy pressure. I usually let mine go for about an extra second. That's just me. There you go. Nothing left on the transfer. I'm gonna do the back hit on this now. So I'm gonna lint roll the back here. I'll show you the shirt when it's done. I just keep putting it in because I want to get my measurements right on this. Now with the back, I'm gonna go probably about 4 inches down. These are extra large shirts. Everybody does their shirts different. This is what I choose to do, and it comes out fine for me. Give it a pre-press. Make sure you get everything out of the way. Okay. Let me line this up. If you want, certain people, they just they'll fold their transfer in half. I'm choosing not to do that. If you want to do that, go ahead. It's easier for you. With this design, it's going to be a little bit different for me. I just want to check and make sure I'm all lined up here the way I do it. I'm going about 4 inches down. Going right off the tag, basically, right where the center of the tag is the center of the transfer. That should be good there. I'm a little bit more OCD and picky than other people. That's why I do it over and over again until then I just get on a roll. So we're good there. Like I said, a top peel. I haven't had any problem with TKO transfers. Let mine go a couple extra seconds, it's my choice. Just make sure it gets in there. Boom. Nothing left on the transfer sheet. I'll hold this shirt up for you guys to see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just do that one for you guys. I'm gonna get right into doing this order. That's the front hit, that's the back hit. Like I said, it's a 15 shirt order. So I'm just wanted to, you know, film it, let you guys know about the 2-color from TKO. It's Active Sport. So I'm gonna get right into this order. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content. I'll catch you guys in the next one.